Yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It was fun to make. I had a good time. Kind of the break was interesting. It was first fun, kind of weird. But anyway, take care. Bye.
Alright guys, this is the Wyze doorbell, video doorbell plus a chime. It's hardwired. That means there's no Wi-Fi to mess with. You just have to unscrew your old doorbell. Well, first turn on the power off, obviously, and then you just screw it back in. You have to do some little wiring. I'll show you that in a minute. And then that's about it. But first, me unbox this thing here for you. Okay. So we got 12 months of the Cam Plus, which it backs up your stuff to the cloud. That's the Wyze Cam. All right, and this is a quick start guide. Tells you all you need to do. You have to go to your doorbell thingy is on the wall. You have to take it off, and you have to see what kind of wires you have in there. I'll show you that later. But it comes with a little angle thing where you can angle it to go straight out. Kind of neat. Stuff there. If I can see it. Alright, so let's unbox this thing here. So this is the actual doorbell thing right here. You can see it. Okay. I've seen some videos on this, and it seems pretty easy to install. I'll have to do that later. But this is it. See, comes in the back. You put your old hardwired on things on here, and they say that to find the power for that doorbell, you have to go to the nearest room with a plug in it, and then you just turn that off, find which plug and turn it off, and then you turn it back on. And this is the chime where you plug this into the wall, any wall, and you have, like, I don't know, several choices of chimes you can use. This is the angle. Oh, well, wait a minute. Yeah. Angle. You can do it. You can just set it at an angle. I think you can anyway. I guess we'll find out. What is this? Oh, this is the power cords and stuff. The things I've read about it so far is that it doesn't have a whole great the pickup. When someone comes to the door, it doesn't pick it up very easily. But if you push the doorbell, it does it automatically. But I also have another Wyze Cam that is just a camera that's pointing outside. Yeah, so yeah, that's all that stuff. Put it back in there for at the moment. All the screws you may need. Well, anyway, that's the unboxing. Pretty straightforward. There's the actual camera right here. So just but yeah, anyway. So I will do that later, and we'll show that. All right, guys, take it easy. So I'm back for a minute. This is the wedge I was talking about. This attaches to this like that, and this goes on like that, so you can angle this thing. So you can angle it towards the walkway, and it also is a vertical width, so it's kind of cool. Anyway, later. Show you that to you later. Bye.